try not to lose them in the couch.
Okay.
Peter.
There's one guy right there, Mom. There's one guy. Mom.
Yeah?
There's a guy right behind you.
Yeah, I just found him under the couch. This guy?
Yeah, throw out my stocking.
Is that everything, buddy?
Nope.
Oh, there's more stuff.
I can't get it out. I think it's a book. Yes.
Yay!
You clapping, Peter?
It is a book.
Do you need help getting it out?
How about Daddy helps? There you go.
What's it a book about?
It's
Oh, you know what it says?
What? If you give a mouse a cookie.
It's a book of mazes. And it goes with those special markers.
Yeah, but look.
More money.
But is it made out of chocolate?
It is.
But
You gotta take the wrapper off. Now, is that everything?
nope.
There's still more stuff?
Play-Doh.
Oh, nice.
I think there's a wall of Play-Doh. I want to dump the rest out.
Okay. That's Santa. You put a lot of stuff in that stocking.
Oh, let's see the snow globe.
Hey, Peter.
Oh,
Don't lose stuff in the couch.
oh, no, one of these chocolate orders.
That's a great stocking, Jack.
This is always what I wanted. These are all the presents I wanted.
I'm so glad.
But where's Luke Skywalker?
Well, there are a lot more presents under the tree.
These are paint.
Ow.